What is Vertex AI and how it works in production? Today we are discussing Vertex AI, which is Google Cloud's fully managed machine learning platform for building, training, deploying, and monitoring ML models at scale. In production, Vertex AI manages the entire ML lifecycle, data ingestion, training, pipeline, model versioning, everything, so teams don't manually manage ML infrastructure and can focus on building reliable high impact model. Look into my right side, that is the scenario we are discussing today. In this scenario, we are building a smart city operations and routing system that uses real time sensor data to predict traffic conditioning and optimize routing decisions. The system continuously ingests streaming data, trains and updates ML models, serves prediction in real time, and feeds operational insights back into city systems, ensuring decisions are always based on the latest data and model performance. Let's understand the problem. Earlier, machine learning workflows were mostly manual and disconnected. Models were trained on historical data, deployed infrequently, and there was a little visibility into data drift or prediction accuracy, making real-time decision system unreliable and slow to adapt. Now let's understand the real-time how it works with Vertex AI. Here, real-time data from city centers is streamed through PubSub with raw stored in cloud storage and structured data analyzed in BigQuery. BigQuery datasets feed Vertex AI training jobs, which are orchestrated into pipelines and automate training, evaluation, and model versioning. Trained models are stored in Vertex AI model registry and deployed to Vertex AI prediction endpoint to serve live traffic predictions. These predictions drive routing and operational decisions while Vertex AI monitoring continuously tracks model performance and data drift. If traffic patterns change or model accuracy drops, monitoring signals trigger retraining pipelines, ensuring the system stays adaptive, accurate, and production ready for large scale smart city operations. So, that is how Vertex AI works in production. And stay tuned, there would be more ML and AI videos flowing pretty soon. I hope you like this video and we'll meet soon. Bye bye. Have a nice day.